Welcome back to The American Dream. I'm your host, Kaleena Schumacher, and we are currently in Parkville, Missouri. Today we're going to speak with Justin and Adam with The Battle Within. So we're going to go meet up with them right now. Let's go. Hi, Justin. Thank you for joining us today. Will you please tell me how you even got started with The Battle Within?
Sure, yeah, so it really started as part of my own personal journey after I left the military. I was an infantryman and did a tour in Iraq. I ended up, thanks to some small arms fire to the face and a suicide car bomber, coming home with 2 Purple Hearts. I moved back to Kansas City, where I'm from, and really felt like, hey, the war's behind me, I'm good to go. And I felt that way for about a decade. And then my stepdaughter, when she hit high school, she really fell into some depression, suicidology, self-harming, and my own mental health just took a nosedive. And I went through a program that Adam Majors, what you'll interview later, created, and it was just life-changing. And I realized I needed to stay within this community to really hold myself accountable, first off, but also to pay it forward, because it was that impactful. And so that really kind of led to the creation of The Battle Within. So our program is a 5-day program. It's held here in Kansas City, but we serve folks from around the nation. So they fly in for those 5 days. And once they're here, then we put them up, room and board. Everything is at no cost to our veterans and first responders. And that's really because they've already paid the price to have those traumas to need these services, right? And so we're very thankful to our community. And so when folks come here, it's really that opportunity to understand the traumas that you've endured, where you can really come in and share yourself and explore those traumas in your life and have it be honored and respected is huge. You know, you really get to see the benefit of, man, these things are helping me. I can share these things and it helps me get better.
One of the things that The Battle Within would like to do is to make sure that anybody who wants to benefit from a program like this can get access to it. Just about any veteran struggling with just about anything, whether it be trauma or something like a personality disorder, eating disorders, psychosis, I mean, you name it. And so we've been really fortunate these last few years to put a lot of the really necessary building blocks into place, just across the board, making sure that everything is very clear in terms of what we're trying to achieve, how we achieve it, and how we make that repeatable over and over and over again, and just getting really great, really consistent results.
What an incredible morning that we spent over in Parkville, Missouri with Justin and Adam in The Battle Within. Now we're over here in Staley Farms in Kansas City, Missouri, and we're about to see a beautiful home from Luke Owen and Owen Homes. This is his country cottage masterpiece that we're about to view. Let's go see it. Luke, I am so excited to be inside of your home. This is such a beautiful masterpiece that you have basically developed. Let's talk about it, and if you can show me some of the things about it that you have come up with, that would be great.
I'd be glad to, yeah. So we have a coastal cottage design here. All of the rooms are designed to proportion to where we're at with our lot, with the subdivision we're in, the land that we're on, and the sunlight that we get. So we've created all of our flow through the house, and then we start building back in with all the textures and the design elements in it. We give each of our houses a unique feel to them, and that sets our design parameters, and then we start to work within those. So if we're doing a contemporary or modern style house, or a farmhouse, or a European or French house, every house has its own unique design elements to it.
Okay.
And so we pick up on that theme and really start to incorporate all those little details throughout the house.
Well, I'm excited to see it. Let's go see.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us on The American Dream Selling Kansas City. I'm your host, Kaleena Schumacher. See you next time.